Now to meteorologist Ray Petelin, who is eagerly awaiting, along with all of us, the autumnal equinox. How many hours away now?
Oh, you want me to do that math? 3:20 tomorrow is when it happens. So, what's it, 12? I'm not even going to try to do math. It's too late.
Sorry to put you on the spot.
And Ken's looking at me. I feel like I've disappointed Ken.
You don't see me volunteering the number, do you?
No.
No.
Okay, stop this. We have the rain that continues to move through the area. Most of this is light, and this is going to continue for the next several hours. I'm hoping somebody in my earpiece can do the math for me and tell me how many hours away that is. But this light rain is going to continue. And the first day of fall officially is tomorrow. It begins at 3:20 in the afternoon. It's going to feel pretty much the same almost all day long. We're going to get up in the morning. It's going to be just like it is outside right now. In the afternoon, we're going to get those temperatures in the mid-70s. So those are the last moments of summer. And then into fall, the temperatures are going to start to fall, and they'll continue to do so. So we do have some cooler temperatures on the way. Low clouds right now in Pittsburgh. 66 degrees, winds out of the south-southeast at 6. So as long as these winds are out of the south, we're going to keep the warmer temperatures going. We're going to keep the higher humidity going. Now, when you look at the observations around, these are the weather stations. Most of the temperatures are at 65, 66 degrees, even 64 up in Butler. It gets a little warmer towards Beaver and Newcastle, where the rain has stopped for now. But just keep in mind, it is going to be one of those nights with drizzle, potential fog, and high humidity to go along with it. Big picture here shows that while we're getting the rain right now, our temperatures are held back a little bit. It's a little warmer near the lakeshore, which is typical this time of year. And then those temperatures start to fall off even more up to the northwest. That's where the front is right now. That will continue to build towards us. And we have a two-parter here. When we get through this rain tomorrow, we're going to see this front come through in the evening, and this is going to bring us some of our heaviest precipitation. That's going to allow the cooler air and the fall-like conditions to wrap in here, and then this low, it gets close to us, and then it starts to go back to the northwest. And as all that rain is cycling around it, it's going to keep those showers going into Thursday as well. But when this system's coming through tomorrow, we could have some stronger storms associated with this. We're in what's called the marginal risk, and that means an isolated storm could come with some wind damage and flooding with the heavy rains that we're looking for. You can't rule out some rotation in some of those storms as well, but pretty much the straight line winds are the bigger things we'll be looking for tomorrow. You can see how that rain lifts in. We catch a little midday break, and if we get peaks of sunshine here, that could help destabilize things a bit. Then into Wednesday evening, that's where the storms come rolling in. That brings in the cooler air, and then we're going to see these showers just cycling through on and off, mainly light rain on Thursday. Some spots could even pick up over an inch of rainfall, especially up into the ridges where those higher amounts are more likely. That's where we could have the better shot for flooding. 64 tonight, cloudy with rain showers around, and tomorrow we're going to get those highs right back into the mid-70s. Temps low 60s on Thursday. Lots of sunshine into the rest of the forecast from there, and the cooler temperatures stick around. And with the rain, with the sun, with the cool, make sure you have the KDKA weather app on your mobile device, because fall begins in 16 hours. You get the current conditions and a whole lot more. Search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play. It doesn't have a calculator, though.